today we will be discussing about the difference between board of control and court of directors. So okay, let's understand what is court of director first. As you know, British East India Company, the company which was ruling in India initially, was a private company, as like Tata, Reliance. Similarly, the British East India Company was also a private company. And to manage the function of a company and to promote the business of a company in India, the company's promoter had elected 24 members team, which were called as court of directors. I'm repeating again. East India Company was a private company, and the owner of the company had appointed a 24 members team, which was called as court of directors. What was their function? Their function was to promote the company's business in India. So okay, I'm starting with a very basic example. Suppose there is a company A. Somebody will be there who will be owner of this company, and they are called as promoters. And this promoter appoints few persons as a managing director or as a CEO, somebody to operate its functions and to promote company's operation. Similarly, British East India Company was also a private company, and that company's promoter had appointed 24 members team, and they were called as court of directors. And the function of court of director was to promote the company's business in India. But in 1764, British Army fought a battle with India, which was called as Battle of Buxar. And that Battle of Buxar was a very decisive battle, as we all know, because initially these Britishers have only trading rights in India. But after this battle, they got a Diwani right as well. Diwani right means what? The administrative function as well as revenue related function. Initially, they had only permission to trade in India, but after the Battle of Buxar, they got administrative, revenue, plus initially what they had, trading function. But as we all know, in 1600, Queen Elizabeth had given permission only for trading. To whom? To British East India Company. They only had permission for trading. But after the Battle of Buxar, they started political functions. And to regulate its administrative and revenue functions, British Parliament passed an act which is called as Pitt's India Act. Pitt's India Act. And this Pitt's India Act separated the company's trading function, means commercial function, and the function related to administration and revenue. So now the court of directors, who was regulating both 1 and 2, will now regulate only 1. Means so the court of directors will now only take care of trading functions, whereas a different group was created by Queen Elizabeth. Means the Parliament of Britain created a different group which is called as Board of Control. And the function of Board of Control was to regulate companies' affairs in administration and revenue. I hope I'm clear. The company's court of director will now only take care of trading functions, means commercial functions. Whereas a 6-member group was created by Queen Elizabeth, which is called as Board of Control. And this Board of Control will take care of function related to administration and revenue. And the member of Board of Control was from the Britain Parliament. And whoever will be the head of Board of Control or the president of Board of Control will be called as Secretary of State. The Secretary of State was very much powerful. He was more powerful than the Court of Directors. Okay, now let's summarize who was Board of Control and Court of Directors. So Court of Directors were here since the beginning, because British East India Company was a private company, and to manage those company, Court of Directors were here since beginning. But the Board of Control came into existence after the Pitt's India Act 1784. Who was Pitts? Pitts was, at that time, William Pitts was the Prime Minister of Britain, and he had proposed that bill. That's why that act was called as Pitt's India Act. The court of director was appointed by whom? The court of director was appointed by promoters. Promoter means the owner of the company. Whereas the board of control was appointed by British Crown. Court of director were consist of 24 members, and the board of control had 6 members. Since that company was a private company, that's why they were the employee of British East India Private Company. Whereas the member of board of control was from the British Parliament. So now the court of directors will take care of commercial functions only after PETS India Act, and the board of control will take care of political functions. Political means the company's civil and revenue related functions. If you understood the concept, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, friend. Goodbye.